the attorney representing plaintiffs in a clergy abuse lawsuit against the New Orleans Archdiocese, has vehemently contested the New Orleans Saints and Pelicans' claim that the disclosure of internal communications was a breach of a court order. The emails, unearthed during the discovery process of the lawsuit, revealed a concerted effort by top executives from both NFL and NBA teams to assist the Archdiocese in mitigating negative media coverage surrounding its handling of the clergy abuse scandal. This revelation triggered immediate outrage and prompted intense scrutiny of the organization's involvement. The attorney, John Denenia, explicitly denied any involvement in leaking the emails to various media outlets, including The Guardian, WWL Louisiana, and others which simultaneously published investigations based on the contents of these communications. He emphasized that the emails were obtained through a legally issued subpoena, served upon the New Orleans Archdiocese as part of the ongoing civil lawsuit representing a clergy abuse survivor. This subpoena was part of a legitimate legal process aimed at uncovering evidence crucial to the case. Denenia stated that the Saints' legal team failed to act upon his notice, thereby failing to prevent the discovery and subsequent publication of this sensitive material. "They didn't do it then," he stated. "They haven't done it since." This inaction underscores a potential lack of transparency and cooperation from the Saints organization in the face of a serious legal PRA. The emails reveal a sophisticated campaign involving key figures from both the Saints and Pelicans organizations. These communications show not only a collaborative effort to shape media narratives, but also the significant involvement of high-ranking individuals within the organizations. Specifically, the emails detail Gail Benson, owner of both teams and a close personal friend of Archbishop Imond, actively providing feedback, moral support, and direction to. Similarly, Dennis Lauscha, president of the Saints and Pelicans, also played a crucial role. Greg Bensel, a spokesperson, extended these efforts to influential civic leaders outside of the Saints organization and the Archdiocese itself, highlighting a broader network implicated in this attempt to manage public perception. The Survivors Network of Those Abused by Priests, SNAP, Louisiana chapter, issued a statement characterizing the emails as evidence of a far more pervasive and insidious sexual abuse scandal within the Catholic Church than previously imagined. This statement underscores the serious implications of the revealed communications and further emphasizes the need for transparency and accountability. The revelation stands in stark contrast to NFL Commissioner Roger Goodell's earlier remarks praising the Saints as very involved in this community, and they are great corporate citizens. A statement now widely viewed as profoundly insensitive given the context of the newly disclosed information. The stark juxtaposition between Goodell's statement and the revelations within the emails casts significant doubt on the organization's public image and raises serious ethical questions about the organization's actions and their potential to obstruct justice. The ongoing legal battle will undoubtedly focus on the veracity of the Saints' claims regarding the alleged breach of court order and explore the full extent of the organization's involvement in the attempt to manage the negative publicity surrounding the Archdiocese's handling of the clergy abuse scandal. The case is likely to trigger further investigations into similar practices across other organizations, highlighting the need for increased scrutiny of corporate involvement in sensitive matters of public interest. This legal challenge underscores the broader implications of the case, moving beyond a singular legal dispute into a discussion about corporate social responsibility, media manipulation, and the systemic issues within the Catholic Church. The sheer volume of emails and the level of detail regarding the strategic communication campaign suggest a coordinated effort that goes beyond simply reacting to media coverage. Instead, it appears to constitute a proactive attempt to shape and control the narrative, potentially influencing public opinion and hindering investigations into the abuse scandal. The legal ramifications remain uncertain, but the ethical implications of the revealed communications are clear. The future trajectory of this case is certain to attract considerable public interest, and prompt a deeper examination of corporate responsibility and accountability within the context of sensitive and controversial societal issues. The implications extend far beyond the New Orleans Saints and the Catholic Church, potentially setting a precedent for future cases involving similar attempts to manage public perception of sensitive issues, raising profound questions about transparency, corporate ethics, and the role of powerful organizations in shaping public discourse.